Want your listeners to lean in, eyes wide, waiting for the next thing. These idioms will make your stories unpredictable, dramatic, and impossible to stop listening to. A curveball, meaning an unexpected surprise or challenge. Example: the meeting was going fine until the client threw us a curveball with new demands. Quick tip: baseball origin, native speakers love it for plot twists. Bonus: you can say, life threw me a curveball. The plot thickens, meaning the situation becomes more complicated or interesting. Example: I thought it was just a coincidence, but then he showed up at my work. The plot thickens. Quick tip: perfect mid-story phrase to keep people hooked. Bonus: often used with a playful or dramatic tone. Out of left field, meaning something completely unexpected and surprising. Example: her sudden resignation came out of left field. Quick tip: another baseball phrase works great for shocking turns. Bonus: you can combine with humor. That comment came out of left field. To turn over a new leaf, meaning to make a fresh start, often after a mistake. Example: after the accident, he turned over a new leaf and started helping others. Quick tip: ideal for positive, redemptive twists. Bonus: sounds uplifting and hopeful, great for ending arcs. To throw a wrench in the works, meaning to cause a problem that delays or complicates something. Example: the supplier going bankrupt really threw a wrench in the works. Quick tip: great for moments when everything suddenly goes wrong. Bonus: British alternative, put a spanner in the works. These idioms are your plot devices. They'll make your everyday stories sound like suspense novels. Use them wisely and watch people's faces light up when the plot thickens. Alright, that's it. Catch you in the next one.